So after the lecture, you usually have 1 hour or 2 of seminar. What is a seminar? Seminar is the more practical part of your academic journey. In the seminar, you're usually with less students, you're 15, 20 people, and you usually do some practical activities. It could be a discussion around a certain topic or a case study, or it could be just the opportunity to ask some questions related to the assignments, but there could also be some group work going on during the seminar. I remember once I was asked to analyze the marketing strategies of Ryanair, for example. So we have taken some papers and prepared a short presentation, of course, of the strategies, of the marketing strategies of Ryanair. There I had the chance to take the theory that I have done during the lectures and put it in practice into the seminar. By doing so, I also had the chance to really see if I understood completely the theory or if there was something that I was missing, and also to ask some questions to the seminar leader. Usually the seminar leader comes from outside the academics, probably the world of work, or he has a different profession apart of being a seminar leader, and so it's a great way to really get that practical experience that you need for your course. It is normal if during the first seminars you're a bit shy or you don't want to interact a lot or to speak out loud. You will get used to it, and by your second or third year, or even before, after a few months, you will be the one chatting the most, I'm sure. Another important aspect of the seminar is that there is usually a bit of reading to do before the seminar, so that when you arrive there, you're able to discuss the topic instead of having to read it for the first time and spending some time doing that. However, usually the seminar leader is quite flexible, and sometimes he gives a bit of time at the beginning to just check if everyone have read the topic, or give some time to read about it. As an international student, I found very useful to prepare as much as I could before a seminar, so that I could actually interact and discuss the topic with the other students. If you have any questions related to the seminars, write them below in the comments. Otherwise, let's check our next video.